Hi everyone, welcome to Skill Questers Hub. In this video, we will explore Settings menu in Jupyter Notebook. So the Settings menu controls the notebook's settings. Okay, so let's explore the first option, Theme. Okay, so the Theme option changes the overall appearance of the Jupyter interface. Okay, we can change the theme to dark or light. Okay, so click on Theme. So click on Jupyter Lab Light. So the theme has been changed. Again, if you go to Settings, Theme, and if you click on Jupyter Lab Dark, the theme is changed to dark. Now, if you again go to Themes, and we have the option to change the UI font size, okay, code font size, content font size, okay. So if you click on Increase Code Font Size, so the code inside the cell size will be increased. So you can see it has been increased. Now again go to Settings, and if you click on Decrease Code Font Size, it has been reduced. Okay. And then we have the Increase Content Font Size. So click on this. Entire content's font size has been increased. If you click on Settings, Theme, Decrease Content Font Size, it has been reduced. Then we have Increase UI Font Size. So if you click on this, we can see that the menu font size has been increased. So let's decrease it, decrease UI font size. Okay. That is all for theme. Next is the language. So this is the display language of the Jupyter interface. So that is by default English. If you get other options, you can change that. Okay. Next, we have the Autosave Documents. So this option automatically saves notebooks and documents at regular intervals. So this automatically saves based on the autosave setting that has been configured. Okay. So the default is 120 seconds. Okay. Next, we have the console run keystroke. So this option sets the keyboard shortcut used to run commands in the console. Okay, so currently it is set to Shift Enter. So first let's enter a console. So click on File, New, Console, and click on Select. So this opens a console. So here also you get the same settings. So here in these settings, we have console run keystroke, which is set to Shift Enter execution. So now if you click on, let's type a code, print, test. Now, if you click on enter, it doesn't execute the code. But if you click on shift enter, it executes the code. Okay. Now I'm changing the setting to execute with enter. So now if you type the code and click on enter, it executes the cell. Okay. So this is the setting. So let me restore it to shift enter. So you can change the setting for the console using the option console run keystroke. Next, we have the text editor indentation. So this controls the indentation settings for text and code editing. Okay. So it is currently the indentation for tab is set to 4 spaces. Now let me create a text file. Okay. So this is an indentation for the text file. Okay. Text editor indentation, and it is for, and the tab indentation is 4 spaces. Now, if I click on, so let me type till 1 to 9, let me click enter. Now, if I click on tab, you see the cursor goes after 4 spaces. Okay. Now, let me change the settings to text editor indentation to 8 spaces. Okay. Now, if I click on tab, it moves 8 spaces. Okay. Now again, if I change it to 4 spaces, if I go back here, now if I click on tab, it is changed to 4 spaces. Okay. So that is the text editor indentation. Next, we have the auto close brackets. So this automatically adds the closing bracket quote or parenthesis while typing. Okay. So if I put the auto close bracket, if I check this, and now if I type a code, say I'm typing print, typing a bracket, so the close bracket also appears automatically. Okay. Let me delete this. Now if I click on settings and uncheck this auto close brackets, now if I go to type print and the brackets, we don't get the close brackets. Okay. So this is auto close brackets. Next, we have the increase text editor font size and decrease text editor font size. So the increase text editor font size makes the text in the editor larger for better readability. And if you want to reduce it, you can use the decrease text editor font size. Okay, so let's see that in action. So here we have the text editor. Okay, and we have the code. Say we have the code. Okay, testing code. Now, if I go to settings and click on increase text editor font size, okay, you can see that the text size is increasing. Okay, it is increased now. So it is increased now. Now, if I go to settings and decrease it, it gets smaller. Okay. So this is the increase text editor font size and decrease text editor font size. Next, we have the text editor theme. So this changes the color scheme and appearance of the code editor. Okay. So this is also text editor theme. So let me go to the text file. And here, if you click on settings, text editor theme to code mirror, the look and feel is changed. Again, if you go to that and click on the default one, which was Jupyter, the look and feel of the theme is changed. Okay. Next, we have the increased terminal font size and decreased terminal font size. So this increases or decreases the text size displayed in the terminal. So let me open a terminal, file new terminal. Okay. So here we have the terminal. If you want to increase the font size, so increase terminal font size, you can see the font size is getting increased. Now to reduce it, decrease terminal font size. Okay. So the font size is being decreased. Next, we have the terminal theme. So terminal theme changes the appearance and color theme of the terminal. Okay. So again, let's go to the terminal. And here on settings, terminal theme, if I change it to light, the color theme is being changed. So if I change it back to inherit, you get the default. Okay. So these are all the options we have in the settings menu in Jupyter Notebook. I have also prepared a reference guide with the menus that we have explored in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.